Trading is already one of the hardest things you can do. It's you versus yourself every single day. Your patience, your discipline, your emotions. But the truth is, most traders don't even fail because of the charts. They fail because of what social media does to their minds. Scroll through Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and tell me what you see. Perfect entries, instant payouts, traders showing Lambos or Rolexes and $10,000 days. And when you're sitting there, 3 red trades in a row, blowing an account that you worked months to fund, you start to think, maybe I'm just not built for this. But listen, those highlight reels, they're poison. They wire you to fail. They make you chase setups that aren't there. They make you size up when you should be scaling down. They make you feel like you're behind and you have to catch up to somebody else's story. And the second that you start trading to prove yourself to somebody else on social media or to match a screenshot that you saw, you're done. That's not trading anymore. That's just gambling. I know because I've been there. I felt the weight of comparing my chapter 1 to somebody else's chapter 20. I've sat there refreshing my feed over and over wondering why my life doesn't look like theirs. And every time I did that, I traded worse and worse every single time. Here's the truth. You don't need to keep up with anybody online. You don't need the flashy cars. You don't need the flashy lifestyle. You don't need to post profits. What you need is consistency. What you need is patience. What you need is the quiet, boring, unsexy grind that nobody even claps for. But that's exactly what gets you profitable. So the next time you feel like quitting because of something that you see on your phone, remember that trading is already hard enough. Don't let social media make it impossible for you. Run your own race. Stick to your own process and let the results speak when they're ready. Because they will come if you keep showing up the right way. Protect your mind, protect your journey. That's how you win.